Hello. Welcome to B. The game I'm playing today is from new update has came out. I've been doing a lot of stuff off camera, but not that much. You see, I have this thing following me. His name's Dabber. I named him it. A newbie vector bee and also a level 10 vicious bee. I have 1,139 tickets. I don't know if I should get the Puppy Bee and Tabby Bee or a Star Tree. I go in the if I bee zone. This group cake's gonna try to attack me. And let's see if I could stop his attacks. Another thing for the troops. Oh, he's trying. He's trying super hard. Oh. Yes, I got it. Ah! The Golden Crab has killed me. I only got him down like 1,000 health. That's bad. That's very bad. I'm gonna wait for my to come back. So I just killed Spring Beetle or a King Beetle. Time for the tunnel bear. Tunnel bear. Tunnel bear. I'm going to come. I'm coming for you. Oh, look at me. Dabber worst time ever. Really terrible. The Festry and Dabber are the worst time. Make the worst gifts every time. Like, yeah. There was some gifts right in like an impossible spot. So annoying. Oh boy. Whatever, don't need it. Turnbow's dying like crazy. I'm just looks like he is once again have died. Quest I have. The first offering, yeah, I don't need that. Lucy, time for showing. Oh my gosh, dude. Time for showing. Let me go up. I can't move. It's super glitchy. Thing on my screen I want to go. I can't even move. This is so weird. I can't go forward. It's like glitching me out. Every time that was really weird. I mean, like, so I don't really know what to do right now other than attack the stump scenario. What do then challenge? So let's do that stuff. Let's do an ant challenge. I feel seven. Oh, it's gonna kill me. So, timer. Attack! Dabber. Attack! Oh, you ants. You. I don't even know how. But, and. Oof. Ow, I hurt myself. Oh, you need to put down sprinklers everywhere. No. Oh, the lawnmowers are here. Repeat, lawnmowers are here. Oh, another giant, another giant. Ah! No! Lawnmower. You need to be careful. Woo! Oh my, kill him, kill him, kill zombies. Ah! No. What? Ah! How did I survive? How am I surviving right now? I just don't know. But I was still lawnmower to kill them. Tense. Tense battle. Really hard. Attack. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. I really need to not quit. No. Ah, ah, giant, 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 giant. Giants. They're the biggest of the ants. No! How am I alive? Super. I actually was amazing there. It was so close. I can't believe I survived. Kept at like 1% health and percent backup. 1% backup. Holy moly, that challenge. I don't really go to him that much. And beast attack. Onto like tokens. Die. Like crazy. Stump Snail is like the weakest boss, but strongest because he has like 30 million health, but weakest because he's enemy trying to attack you. I guess Slave Horse and Very Beers are the weakest. Stump Snail, you have to die, buddy. I know. I'm gonna end this video here. The bonus video. I'm sorry, but bye.